Hello traders, today is the 7th of November 2010 and happy trading to you all and a happy Sunday to you also. A new week will start tomorrow, Monday. Okay, this is about the stock market analysis. We have here the Euro USD currency pair that is moving the same direction, usually moving the same direction like the Dow Jones Index, the S&P 500, the Nasdaq Index, all the major indices. Okay, so we noticed that from August 2008 this currency pair went down with the same direction like the Dow Jones. The stock market in general went down from 2008, August 2008 up to December 2008. Okay, and then the price rally up to the 66% Fibonacci retracement there, exactly on the dot, 66%, not 61.8, 66% Fibonacci retracement level of this movement from here down to here. Okay, and then the price turn around. What you need to remember is that when the price move strongly, when there is a trend in one particular direction and the trend is weakening, the price usually will retrace up to the 66% Fibonacci retracement level. Excellent place to look for opportunity to sell. 66% Fibonacci retracement level, either after a downtrend or after an uptrend. Okay, exactly what has happened here, and then the price display a double bottom pattern. When the price is about to display a double bottom pattern, it will retrace up to the 61.8 region, talking about the 66% Fibonacci retracement level. The price will retrace up to 66% Fibonacci retracement level and then pull back nicely to form a double bottom pattern. Usually, most of the double bottom pattern will retrace up to 66% before coming back and give a clear-cut double bottom pattern on the weekly chart. This is valid only on the weekly chart. Repeat, this is valid only on the weekly chart. Okay, very important, stable data in the market. Talking about the double bottom pattern on the weekly chart. Okay, so this is the 5 days weekly chart, not a 7 days weekly chart, because I prefer the 5 days weekly chart, which is telling us exactly the story of the market. 5 days we trade, 5 days we come back into the market. Okay, 5 days, not 7 days. So the price retested the 66% and went back down, display double bottom pattern. Right here, if you look carefully here, I'll highlight that for you. Right here, as you can see, the stochastic was overbought right here, and people were busy, okay, selling here, okay, only that to see the price just going up. A TSTW24 traders will know exactly what is happening right here, and you won't be surprised that the price continue movement to the upside. Okay, so this is the advantage, the unfair advantage of the TSTW24 trader will know exactly what course of action to take in this region here, even though the stochastic has been overbought. Okay, and in order to be careful in this zone here, exactly those who are selling here, I hope they'll take some profit before the price return to the upside. Okay, now what I want to say in this video, remember what I want to say in this video is that when a price, okay, has displayed, okay, a double bottom pattern, this region here, okay, where I'm rotating my cursor, is a very tough resistance level. Okay, that's all you need to remember in this video. That's why I draw these two horizontal line here to show you the toughest resistance level after a double bottom pattern. This zone here on top of the double bottom pattern is a very tough resistance level. The downtrend will be confirmed, finished, after the price break this resistance level and find a support above it. If you look carefully, the Euro USD went above that zone, which is the double horizontal line here, went above it, only to come back below it. And this trend line was broken. The price tried to retest it and fell with this candle here, and right there you have a clear-cut selling signal. Sometimes you will see the stochastic being overbought before the entry point. As you can see in this zone here, stochastic was overbought before the entry point was given right here. This usually happens, but as you can see, the price went above this toughest resistance zone, this zone, yeah, the price went above it, as you can see, but failed to find a support, only to come back below it, and then the price retraced back down. This level, you must mark it on the weekly chart. It's a very tough resistance level. And today again, the euro is coming near that zone, and exactly there, people start selling the euro USD. Now, paying attention carefully here is that the euro is still in a downtrend, like I showed you in my previous video. The best resistance zone is this trend line here, the brown one here. Okay, the brown resistance line, that's the best trend line. But as we know also, drawing our pitchfork tool on this chart, we know that the euro is just at the edge of this. My apology for that. I need to clear my pitchfork. I made something that I shouldn't be doing here. Okay, so and then here we know that the euro is just in near the media line of this pitchfork of the move from here down to here, a tough resistance zone, also near our strongest resistance zone of this double bottom pattern. So it's just very difficult for the euro right now to test the brown trend line, which is the downtrend trend line there. Okay, this is why the euro is struggling to come near this zone. The combination of this resistance zone plus the median line of the pitchfork and also the market sentiment right now, like I told you before, I told you that after the midterm election, there is a high probability that the market will start going down, okay, because the Wall Street will not try to upset their Washington friend by selling during the election time. I think it will be quite normal to wait after the election, and they start selling on Friday. We will see next week whether this selling will continue. The market is overbought in my view, so I believe that the market should pull back nicely, okay, in order to give us again a clear cut double bottom pattern before we start the bullish season. Okay, that remains to be seen. As always, we have the tools, the TSTW24, the TSTW SYS08. With those tools, we know exactly what to do, what to expect in order to cream this market consistently. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Thank you.